Imagine a work world where you're in control. You pick your projects, set your hours, and decide where your office is. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Welcome to the world of freelancing, an exciting landscape that's reshaping how we think about work. But what exactly is freelancing, and what does it mean to be your own boss? Let's embark on this journey together. First, we need to understand what freelancing is. Freelancing is a unique work model where individuals are self-employed, offering their skills or services to clients on a project basis, not tied to a single employer. The beauty of freelancing is that it's not limited to one profession. Writers, designers, programmers, consultants, the list goes on, all have a place in the freelancing world. With a clear understanding of what freelancing is, we move on to its benefits and challenges. Freelancing offers unparalleled flexibility. You choose your projects, set your own schedule, and have the freedom to work from any corner of the world. And that's not all, there's potential for higher earnings and the rare opportunity to align your work with your passions. But, like everything else in life, freelancing has its challenges. From income instability to self-discipline and time management, freelancers grapple with unique hurdles. And let's not forget the daunting responsibility of managing your own taxes, healthcare, and retirement savings. One of the most alluring aspects of freelancing is the chance to be your own boss. As a freelancer, you hold the reins of your career. You pick your clients and projects and chart the course of your business. This autonomy can be incredibly empowering and fulfilling. Yet, being your own boss comes with increased responsibility. Beyond delivering top-notch work, you're tasked with marketing yourself, managing your finances, and continually honing your skills to stay competitive. As we conclude this introduction to freelancing, we hope you've gained some insights into this dynamic career path. Freelancing is a rewarding journey that offers unmatched freedom and growth opportunities. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into the practical steps of launching a successful freelance career. Until then, keep dreaming, keep exploring. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more enlightening content on freelancing and entrepreneurship. And remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. See you in the next video.